Hello guys, great day. Welcome to Pherl TV. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade serum. Okay, do it yourself homemade serum. Okay. Last week, guys, I harvested lots of sabila leaves with a thick gel already. So I consume it all. I make it as a homemade serum. So as you can see, I'm filling up the leaves so I can get the gel type meat. Okay, so yeah guys, so you do it that way and then collect all the gel. It's very quick and easy to make naman guys, and it needs a lot of patience, of course, especially when you have so many sabila gel. Okay, so as you can see, I just do it that way. Okay, so please watch the full video guys in order for you to learn on how to make a DIY serum. Okay, so if you have plants, aloe vera plants in your pot garden or in your garden, so whenever the leaves become big, and that's the time for you to get all the gel. Okay, so it's very smooth in the skin after using that. Okay, so please watch the full video in order for you to know my secret recipe on making a homemade serum. Okay, so if you have a blender guys, put all the gels in the blender. Okay, since I have made a lot of gel, so it's important that you use a heavy duty kind of blender. Okay, and have a sifter. Use a sifter guys, so that all the leaves that is being included in the mixture can be eradicated. Okay, because it causes itchiness guys, whenever you just let it be there. Okay, you have to remove the leaves. Okay, just do it that way. Okay, just continue to do it guys in order for you to remove the leaves. Okay, from the mixture. It's very enjoyable to make guys, it's very satisfying. And see guys, I'm going to put the honey. Okay, fortunately we have a honey, so we will consume a honey. We'll add honey to our mixture of gel. Okay. So ayan guys, we're done mixing. Okay, so you have to prepare a mold. Okay, ice cube mold yan guys eh. So dyan ko na lang ihulma ang ating homemade frozen serum. Okay, so ayan guys, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan guys, and then yung bula na yan guys, mawala man yan guys mamaya, ayusin nyo na lang. Ayan guys, sakto konti yung laman ng freezer natin, so naisingit natin yan guys. Ayan, so that time, ayan, konti pa lang yung laman ng freezer natin, nagka-chance makasingit, diba? So look, i-frozen nyo yan guys dyan. Oh my god, kahit hapon magawa na yan. Ayan, nakuha ko na yung isa guys at ginamit ko na nga. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura niya guys. Oh. Napakabango guys at matamis. Ikukuskus nyo lang yan guys sa mukha nyo, okay? So ayan.
So ayun guys, as you can see, ginagamit ko na yung ice cubes na serum yan guys. Ice cube made from gel of aloe vera and honey. And as you can see, ubusin nyo lang guys yung isa. Pwede na yan guys, kada araw. Okay, or pwede din dalawa. Maganda din yung dalawa. Nakaka-tighten din ang pores natin sa mukha, diba? Tapos kapag may mga ano-ano tayo, mga sugat-sugat sa mukha, magandang panggamot din yan guys. Ang ganda guys, tapos ang soft niya talaga sa mukha. And it leaves an oily face guys. Yung oiliness na alam mo parang healthy ng skin mo. So ganun, enjoy lang guys. So at least may idea na kayo guys ngayon na maganda yung aloe vera, gagawin yung ganun. Okay, so I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button guys in order for you to see more upcoming video from this channel. So ayan guys, and I hope you will also like to try that kind of recipe guys. Pagkatapos nyan guys, magkano kayo, magsabon. Ayun, sabunan nyo guys, tapos ilamusin nyo kung ano yung sabon nyo para at least hindi kayo hindi yung comfortable feeling din guys. Ayan, sabon kayo guys. Okay, so ganun tamang guys, napaka DIY talaga. Kailangan nyo din budgetan syempre yung honey. Okay, may nabibili naman ng honey sa mga local store, diba? Medyo mura lang. Yung SM bonus, mura lang yun guys. Kaya lang wala kayo makita. Okay? So, bye and thanks for watching guys. God bless.